Welcome to today's exploration of geographical indication (GI) tags for Assamese items and its impacts. Assam, known for its unique heritage and biodiversity, boasts several products that have earned GI tags, highlighting their distinctiveness and origin. Assam got GI tags in 19 products recently, making it a total of 29 products so far. Few items that got GI tag recently are Assamese Jappi, Behud Hole, Sarthebri Ball Metal Craft, Asharkandi Terracotta, Pani Meteka Craft, Missing Handicraft and a good number of items from the Bodo community. Now, let's discuss about importance of GI tags for Assamese items, assures consumers of authenticity and quality, preserves traditional craftsmanship and local economies, promotes tourism and cultural awareness, enhances export potential and market value, safeguards against imitation and unfair competition. While the opportunities presented by GI tags in Assam are empowers local artisans and producers, facilitates global market access, encourages sustainable practices and innovation, fosters community pride and identity, supports rural development and employment. It is also important to see through the threats to Assamese GI tagged products, counterfeiting and unauthorized use of GI tags, lack of awareness among consumers and businesses, limited infrastructure for value addition and marketing, climate change affecting natural resources, global competition impacting market share. What can be done better as some way forwards for Assamese GI tagged items are discussed below. Strengthen enforcement of GI regulations. Expand awareness campaigns and educational initiatives. Invest in infrastructure and technology. Foster collaborations with trade bodies and government agencies. Implement sustainable practices for long-term viability. To conclude, the diverse array of Assamese items with GI tags underscores the region's rich cultural legacy. Join us for more fascinating explorations on the Madhyeka Academy YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos.